Welcome back friends. As we have done with the backend here, so as we are using MERN, so in the MERN we are done with ME and N. So that is MongoDB, Express and Node.js. Now we are going to work with the React.js to make the front end. So after getting the front end, then we are going to connect our React with our backend here. So that will combine, create us a MERN stack. So first of all, today in this video we are going to set up our front end here, and for that we are going to use React, and we are going to create React app today. And for the UI we are going to use Material UI, now also known as MUI here with the new name. So I will tell you how we can install this, and we will set a Material UI for our React application. So now without wasting any time, let's get into it. So this is our project structure here. So previously we were working with the server here in the server folder, and this is our whole backend. Now we will work with the client folder here. So in the client folder, our React tab will be there. So I'm opening CMD here, my Windows terminal, under this folder, and let's create a React tab. So here I'm going to get npx create React tab and dot here. So I'm writing dot here because I want to create my React tab under this client folder only. So press enter and this will install a React tab for you. So our React tab is successfully installed here, and I have opened the app in my VS Code. So let's first of all clean our app here. So here I'm going to the source folder. So first of all, let's remove the public folder. So I'm going to delete the public folder. We don't need it. And instead of this one, let's create new public folder. And under this, there will be index.html file. And here we are going to create simple HTML5 snippet. And here I'm going to write MERN JWT auth. Fullyworld web tutorials. Then here we need root div with root ID here because our React app, so whenever we will go to the index.js, and this React app is rendering our whole thing to our root ID only. So I'm going to save this and let's move here. And here we don't need this report web vitals. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to remove this also. And let's remove this. We don't need this. And also we don't need setup test. We don't need logger.svg as well as. So I'm going to delete that also. And we don't need app.test.js here. And let's go to the app.css and remove this all. And let's go to the index.css, and here I'm going to remove this all. So now let's go to the app.js, and in the app.js we don't need this one. So instead of this, let's import React from React.js. And here this will be our arrow functional component. So here I'm going to make it into this, and let's remove this. We don't need this anymore. And here I'm going to simply write one h1 tag, and here it will be hello world, like this. And let's save everything here. I'm going to save all, and let's open the server here. So I'm going to clear this, and let's write npm start. Actually I'm using yarn here, so that's why I'm going to write yarn start. So this will start a server for us. Now our server is up and running, compiled successfully here, and here we are getting hello world. Now let's move forward and let's install MUI here, that is Material UI. Now let's click on get started. So like this we can install Material UI, but we have to install something else also with the Material UI, because we are going to use CSS also with this. So here let's go to the installation. So in the installation, first of all we have to add Material UI, as well as we need emotion react here, and then emotion style here for the style components. So we have to install this. So let's install this. So I'm going to copy this and let's move here. Let's move here, and here let's open the terminal by pressing Ctrl J or Ctrl backticks. And as I'm using yarn here, so that's why I'm going to use yarn at @MUI material, emotion react and emotion start. Press enter here. So this will install the dependencies for you. Actually I'm getting error here. Let me do it once again. Yeah, it is installing the dependencies, and I will be right back after installing these. Now dependencies are installed successfully here, and let's clear this. Here we need to configure more things here. So let's go here and see that Material UI is with Roboto font, so we have to add Roboto font also. I'm going to copy this and let's go here. Let's go to next.html, and here I'm going to paste this, that is Roboto font. Paste this, and then we need font icons also here. So because material icons we are going to use, so here font icons is there. So font icons, and let's paste it. And another thing, for the SVG icons, for the icons we have to install MUI icons material also, so that we can use pre-built material icons by MUI only, and we can use with CDN also. So here I'm going to set up this. So yarn add MUI icons material. I have to do it once again. So our dependency of MUI icons material is installed successfully here. So I'm going to close the terminal. I close the terminal, and let's save this index.html file also. And here we should not get any changes for now, because we haven't implemented any MUI here. Where it is? Yeah, this one is there. So we are getting simply hello world here. Now let's apply anything here. So let's apply any component. I'm going for the navigation bar. So here app bar should be there. So let's take anyone. So let's take a button only. So I'm going to take a button only, and here I'm going to get this, copy this, and let's create a button here, hello world. And here we are going to create a button. Let's import the button from MUI here. So button, here we are getting MUI button here, and here we have our MUI button. So I have one extension here that you can install. Simply you can write here like Material UI. For Material UI there is one extension that I have installed here. So this extension is there, that is Material UI snippets. So this one you can install, Material UI snippets. So this extension is very good here. Simply you have to write MUI, so this will show you like this. So this is very powerful extension, so I'm using this here. and see that here button we have, and variant will be the text, or we can write variant will be container. It can be container also. So let's see. So variant will be text, outline, and contain. So for me, contained is good. Contained. And color, let it be primary color, and we have to close the button also. So I'm going to close the button here, and here I'm going to write sample button. Sample button. Save this, and now let's see the changes. Let's see if it is getting compiled or not. It is getting compiled. Let's wait for a while. Now it is compiled successfully, and see that we are getting here sample button. So this button is looking very good. So this means that our material UI is working perfectly. So we have set up the project here, and now we are going to use this material UI in our React.js to create pages. So we are going to create 4 pages. So first will be the 5 pages will be there. So 5 pages will be there. So let me write here what type of pages we are going to see. So first page will be our home page. We don't need we need home page also. So home page will be there, and second page will be the login, and third page we need register, and fourth one we need forgot password, and fifth one we need for reset password, and sixth one we need for the verify email. So we are going to create these pages step by step, and first of all we are going to start with login page. So we will do routing also step by step, and for the particular page, first of all we will set up the routing. Like whenever we are going to do the register page, first of all we will set up the routing for register page, then we are going to do register page. So we will set up the routing as well as step by step, and for that we are going to use React Router now. So for today this is enough, and if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. I will definitely respond to that. And last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial.